Good morning. For today's kids breakfast, I'm going to make bratwurst bun with crab meat patty. Stay tuned. And so we have the ingredients. This is the hotdog bun. The hotdog bun is going to be with the bratwurst, half for each kid, the egg, and the egg is for the patty with the crab meat. This is 20 grams each for each kid, and here we have 40 grams of crab meat. I'm going to mix the egg with the crab meat, make them into patty, and then going to bake the bratwurst. In other videos you can see how I bake. I'm now going to show them here, and then we're going to put them into the bun. We may also bake the bun so that it can turn out to be a little bit warm and slightly crispy on the outside. Okay, let's go. I already cut my bratwurst into half, half for each kid, and then if the kids just eat bratwurst and the bun, there will not be enough or sufficient protein for each kid. So by adding in the crab meat, each of them will have approximately 15 to 17 grams of protein. That should be enough for a kid. Otherwise, they will always be under protein if you keep eating processed foods like that. So I always make sure my kids will have at least 15 to 17% of protein for each of their meal, maybe sometimes up to 20. And then with the buns, when you add it up, it should give them about 30 grams of carbs. This meal is about 13 grams of fat. So we have protein 15 to 17 grams, fat 13 grams, and then for carbs up to 30 grams each. Okay. The oven is heated up. I'm going to put the bratwurst into the pan, and then I'm going to put it into the oven, and then I'm going to come back and mix the crab meat with the egg, and then I'm going to make patties out of them in the wok. Now the bratwurst into the oven, 150 degrees Celsius, about 10 minutes should do the job. Now I'm going to prepare the patty for the crab meat. Here I'm going to continue to mix, and then here we have bacon grease from the other day. The pan is now pretty sufficiently heated up. You can see that the bacon grease is starting to melt almost immediately. And then I'm going to put the patties in. Good morning, Samuel.
Morning.
Today I'm going to make crab meat patty bratwurst bun for you and Mimi. Okay, now we're going to put in the crab meat mix. Without the egg, it is more difficult to make a patty out of them. So the egg serves as a medium to hold the crab meat together. So when you fold them together, you get sort of a patty-like what? So yeah, you get a patty for you to be able to put it into the bun. Okay, we let it cook. I can hear some sizzling, so the bottom may be cooked. You can check when it's a little bit brown, slightly brown at the bottom, it's ready to flip. And then you let the other side cook. When the other side is starting to cook and no longer runny, if you want to, you can start cutting. You can start splitting the patty up. So you see, a slightly larger piece for my boy who is elder, a slightly smaller piece for my girl. The bratwurst is ready now. So the bratwurst will go into the bun. And then crab meat patty. And then if you want to, you can put this into the pan. You can put this into the pan to heat up in the oven. And then you can have some tomato sauce if you want to fold, and it is breakfast time. We put it in the oven, let the bread toast just a little bit. Look, the bun is ready. This is my son's. You cannot put the bun into the oven for too long, otherwise the buns will become biscuits. Yeah, overly crispy, they become biscuits. And this is how croutons are being made, I think. I used to make croutons out of breadcrumbs, and my kids pretty love it. Okay, so here is my son's bun, crab meat and bratwurst bun, my girl's bun, and Samuel, you want the ketchup?
Yeah.
Ketchup. You ask Mimi whether she wants or not.
Okay.
And here is my egg. My son woke up just in time to make sunny side ups for my wife. So, okay, you want tomato sauce? I'll put them in right now. Good. Alright. Next, we fold. Oh, look at that. 1, 2. Oh, this is top. So there you have it. Crab meat bratwurst bun breakfast for kids. I hope you like it.